Hi guys, my name is Ali Ahmed. Today I'm going to be playing Aeroplane Story. So let's get into it. Don't forget to drop a like, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you guys know. So let's get into it. Which one should I go? Let's go in this one. Are there more people coming? Please tell me there are more people coming. No. We are very less people. What's my seat? 6, 7. Okay, let me just find the 6 section. 6. Oh, it's G7. There's my seat. Here's my seat. 7G. At least I have a lot of leg room. And I can sleep. Yeah, hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard on flight 1785, I think. We're currently flying on altitude 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time at our destination. Feel free to explore the aeroplane. Okay. Okay, let's explore this place. I'm gonna find some things. Okay, so I'm going. Oh, scissors! I don't know what are these used for. Now, please find your seats as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Okay. Where is my seat again? Yes. No. I don't want to die. Okay, much better. Okay, so now are you safe? Thank you for your cooperation. Okay, now let's explore the plane again. Get ready as a crew prepares a snack for everybody. Okay. Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Okay, this is my sandwich. I'm gonna eat it. I ate it. Okay, that was a yummy sandwich. Okay, what is it, Ranko? I'm not feeling very well. Oh, why? Wait, this sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. Oh my god. Okay, I think you have to open this. That's not yours, who cares? It's fine, we need to find Isaiah 900/14's bag for this, for medicine. We need to find a suitcase for this. Okay, someone found it. Phew, that was a close one. Okay, that was really a close one. You were about to die. Good afternoon, to all passengers. I inform you we reaches a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Okay, I'm going to sleep. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your leg. We still have a few hours to go. Few hours. Okay, fine. I'm going on my seat. Okay. friends. Oops, the lights are out. It appears that we have lost energy. We hang on as we try to fix it. Guys, look at what is on the right wing. I don't see something. What is that? The keeper creature thing. I have no clue what is that. You will not survive. What the are those? Snakes! Get me up. No, I can stay here. Where are the snakes? Teacher, I'm in your sleep. What is that right there? Snakes! Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly, we have to be safe. We will be safer in that room. Yeah, please, right. Here's the restroom. Okay, I'm in here. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This girl asked adjectives. No, we aren't. We aren't. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Hold up. Why? I guess we are not going, but by chance we have. No, not me. How is that? And the snakes are gone. Thank God. Yep, for sure. Or that would be scary. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Yep. Very creepy. Get me out of this thing. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. What is the good news? The good news is the power is back up. Yes, let's go. I know that. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen mask will be dropped. What do you see? Quickly. Where are they? I got mine. I'm safe. Why is this guy here? I don't understand why they didn't work so much. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Thank you. What just happened? What just happened? Oh my God. What is this? What is what? It looks like a bomb. Oh no. What are we going to do? I know. The scissors are there. Okay, everyone. Calm now. If you find something sharp to cut through the cables, we might just be able to save boys. Okay, I found scissors. That's why I'm clicking on it. I found a pair of scissors. I don't know, blue or red. Blue, I'm going to try blue. I will cut the red cable. No, this world is dead. He didn't make it. we want to survive. I told you. I told you, Blue. Oh no, I'm all alone in this story now. We haven't heard of the clue in a while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay. I know, even though I'm all alone now. Okay, now I have to check if everything is okay. Okay, I'm going to check that. I think that's on that side. Okay. Captain. It's locked. Okay, so that's locked. I think I need to find a code or something because that looks like more of a code to me. Okay, I found one. We are unconscious. Need to alert the captain. Quickly get to the captain room. Go! Why am I tiny and my long legs are not running fast? It's locked. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. We don't need the code. If we find it, we may be able to open it. Hurry up. 4952. 4951. Found the code. 4951. I am the German. 4951. Yes, the code is 4951. Okay. 4951. Oh no! It's the creature! You will pay for what you have done. I haven't done anything wrong, mister. You think you are here on accident? Yep, but you're not. Huh? I just booked a flight to go to Paris or something. I brought you here, all of you. I don't know what his name. That is not possible. It is. And now? It's time to die. No, I'm too young to die. See you in the afterlife. Don't say that. That's too scary. I need to go in somehow. I think you have to. What do I have to do? Check on the captain. The captain is unconscious. The plane is falling. What are you going to do? Don't know. Need to find the autopilot button. Okay, I don't know the autopilot button. Click everything and find that button before we die. Oh no! Click everything before we die today. Oh my god! We only have more than half a minute. I found the button. Let's go. Finally, we did it. I thought we were going to die. We did it! We saved the plane! Let's go! It has to be it has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Yeah, me too. Although I'm already at my house. Okay, now all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. Okay, I know where is that phone. It's on that side. Okay, now time is to find that. At least we saved the plane. Now no need to worry about it. I think that monster is gone. It was not gone for sure. Don't know. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry. You will get home. Don't worry. We will get you home. Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay. We have traced your location and we're tracking and we're taking control. There's one last task I have for you. Okay, what's that task? Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Okay, I can do that. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat as aside the captain. Okay. Okay, I'm the one who's going to sit on that because I'm the only one alive now. I said it. Okay, everyone, I got this. What is happening? Why is that thing again? I thought we lost it. Oh no, it is back. I know. I just saw it myself. How is there alive underscore BJ? Don't know. I killed all of his friends. But you? There's something about you. What? Your energy does not let me kill you? Huh? I'm not going anywhere with you, monster. I'm the chosen one. Thank God I'll come back for you. I can't believe I was the only one, sir. I can't believe I was the only survivor. Yes, I am. Did I just won? Victory! So, I guess that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.